Cars are boring.
So what are we doing?
We're taking a light train.
What does that mean?
It's like one of those things that I used to do in Chicago a lot,
going
but
on
Army's
the right
never done
train.
it, so now we're doing it and she's really excited.
Yeah. Because we're cool like that. We're using public transportation, something we don't get to do every day here in Charlotte. So, there, we got our ticket. Ooh, we're so cool. We're gonna record a little bit more when we get in.
Oh, you better be quiet when you're recording.
That's okay.
Rule 1, don't talk to anyone. Rule 2, don't look at people.
Who came up with those rules?
The unwritten rules of the subway and every metro public transportation thing that exists.
It's all good.
Alex, from what I've learned from going to Chicago. Whatever.
Okie dokie. Here we go.